Hi, my name is Kasim Heath, and the topic I decided to research was mental health issues and medical professionals. One quote I found when researching my topic was people expect soldiers to have PTSD, but not doctors. This quote drew my attention because never had I thought to associate such a serious mental health issue with anyone outside of a person who may have seen a violent trauma of some sort, such as a soldier at war, or maybe someone who has seen the death of a loved one. The reason I chose to study this topic was because I too plan on being a medical professional, so this is something that I definitely would like to be aware of. Some research questions I found myself asking myself were: how often are medical professionals diagnosed with a type of mental health illness? What exactly is PTSD and other mental health issues such as ADHD, depression, or anxiety? And are there any support systems available to these medical professionals, because these are the people who are essentially seen as our healers? When researching my topic, two articles that helped me gain insight on the mental health in our medical professionals was Your Doctor Has PTSD by Lisa Rankin, where she talks about signs of doctors having PTSD and how it follows down to the chain of nurses and even patients having the PTSD as well. And also a review of literature on mental health issues in doctors or specialist services needed, composed by a collection of medical professionals, where they gathered statistics on these mental health issues in our doctors and gave insight as to what specialist services should be provided for someone who works in the medical profession. Some future research I plan on taking is to look furthermore into the age discrepancies in the people who are diagnosed to see if that has any correlation as to who might be affected. And I also plan on looking more into PTSD and other mental health illnesses to see their effects on a person's mental and physical well-being, and to also take another approach when looking into the specialist services provided to our medical professionals. Because doctors seeing doctors is such a confidential thing, my one source that I had did not give me with enough information, so I would like to learn more. Now that I've studied this topic, I'm more knowledgeable about how common of an issue it is. I hope to find more about the specialist services provided to our doctors specifically, and hopefully discover a way to maybe avoid the trauma, so this might not seem as a hindrance to who might be entering the medical profession. And that concludes my presentation on the mental health issues and our medical professionals. Any questions, feel free to contact me at KHEATH 4 at dtcc.edu. Thank you.